Before you start a pressure washing business, you need to watch this video. Hey, I'm Mike with All About Pressure Washing. Today's video is going to be short and sweet because I'm about to run into a meeting about some post-construction cleanup on this brand new apartment complex behind me. But I wanted to hop on and make a quick video that I think should be pretty helpful if you're just starting out or you're just looking for ways to make your business more profitable. So today we're going to talk about finding your niche and targeting that audience. Finding your niche in any industry is incredibly important, so you know which are the best customers for you and how you should go about targeting them. You might be a residential guy, you might be a commercial guy. Each is a great niche and each has its own intricacies that are going to make determining how you go about acquiring customers. When you're first starting out, you might take the shotgun approach and try to do everything for everybody. And it's not a bad thing. It's going to help you get some experience. It'll give you the opportunity to interact with various customers and different types of work. Hopefully finding your niche and ultimately allowing you to figure out what you're really good at. Or even better, what your area or your market is lacking in. The more narrowly you can define your target market, the easier and less expensive it's going to be to fill up your schedule and start making that phone ring. So once you've honed in on what your niche is, it's time to figure out how you're going to target those customers. We're going to focus on the residential market, despite the fact that I'm sitting in front of a commercial quote right now. But let's just say marketing to residential is a little bit easier. You could go out and buy 10,000 postcards, mail them to multiple zip codes, cross your fingers and hope that someone's going to call. Postcards are cheap, mailing them is pretty cheap, but don't waste your time or money blindly sending out to random addresses. This is a classic example of no planning and a lack of a clearly defined target market, and that will kill your business. You should already know by now what you need to make per job or per hour in order for your business to be profitable. If you don't, stop watching this video right now and go figure that out. If you do, you know that there are going to be certain demographics and certain areas in your market that you are not going to want to service. And there's nothing wrong with that. They are not your customer. They are not going to pay your price, so don't target them. Don't waste your time and energy. This all goes back to doing your homework and knowing your area, knowing your market, understanding your niche, and ultimately who the best customers are for your business. We have minimum prices for a reason. A, because we aren't in business just to keep busy. We're in business to be profitable. And B, it weeds out customers that we don't want. Price buyers are not as likely to add on services. They're not as likely to be up for a cross-sell. There's a video up there on that. So this takes us to the topic of customer acquisition. Just like yourselves, we're a high quality professional pressure cleaning business, and the people that are looking for a service like ours and are willing to pay the prices that we ask are not going to be out looking on Craigslist or searching through the Valpak for a coupon to find their service provider. With that being said, knowing your target customer is huge. Where do they look for recommendations on service businesses? What keywords are they searching? What neighborhoods do they live in? That's a huge one. Figure out and target them with pinpoint precision. No shotguns in this strategy. Pinpoint precision. A few thoughts. I'm about to run into this thing. Who is your target customer? What are their unique needs? Customize your business to meet those needs. A few examples of guys that I know or people that I know. A dry cleaner that picks up and delivers from and to your house. A mobile pet groomer that comes and does your dog at your house. A pressure cleaning service that doesn't need you to be home to perform the work. Think about all the service variations that you can offer to your customers. When it comes to marketing, like say a lawn care company, I've got a lawn care company. Not much has changed over the years, and there are tons of people that offer this service in every neighborhood, all different price points. But suppose you were a lawn care service that offered monthly electronic billing, online payments, guaranteed service days. Think about various service packages that you might offer your customers to make doing business with your company way easier. The idea here is to find a way to set yourself apart from everyone else. The guy in the pickup truck banging on doors after each lawn service or after pressure washing, looking to get paid, that's easy to figure out. But finding something uniquely compelling to offer a niche market, from individual homeowners to homeowners associations, property managers, whatever it is, that's a bit more difficult. But the bottom line, as always, is do your homework, invest in yourself, educate yourself. That's all really I've got to say about that today. But I hope that this was beneficial. I hope you liked it. Give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. But more importantly, have a great day.